All right, who doesn't love some shrimp, right? We're gonna do some shrimp today. Super easy method. We got some steaks rolling over here. We want to do a little seafood on this side. So I've got some oil, peanut oil heating up right now. I'm gonna heat it up about 375. And we got some shrimp. These ones came with the shell on. I went ahead and removed the shell, and then I took a knife and just butterfied the back because I want those to lay open. And then we're gonna dredge them in some flour, salt and pepper, and we're gonna kind of make it our own today and throw a little bit of the Camp Chef all-purpose seasoning in there. So, you know, but you can throw anything you like in there. But that's what I'm thinking. We're about half a cup, a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, maybe about a tablespoon of sea salt on there. Add some pepper into the flour. Throw a bit of this all-purpose seasoning in there. We're just gonna lightly dust these. So we're just gonna dump those in. Now we're gonna go into hot oil. And we're just not gonna wanna spend a whole lot of time in here. When they start to get a little crispy on the outside like that, you can kind of see it's just all crisped up nice, still super tender inside. That is good. All right, hey, if you guys are liking these videos, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment below. We always love to see the comments. We'll catch you guys later.